This is the Future of Automotive with Steve Greenfield.
Welcome back to the latest episode of the Future of Automotive on CVT News, where we put recent automotive and mobility news into the context of the broader themes impacting the industry. I'm Steve Greenfield from Automotive Ventures, and I'm really glad that you could join us. Italian newspaper Il Sole 24 Ore reported just last week that talk of a merger between Stellantis and Renault has become more persistent, with economies of scale seen as a possible solution to managing the intense competition faced by traditional automakers. The response came quickly from Stellantis. Reports of a potential merger are pure speculation, Stellantis CEO Carlos Tavares said on October 3rd on a visit to one of the group's factories in eastern France. While there may or may not be credibility to this latest Stellantis-Renault rumor, I do expect that we'll see more noise about possible automaker consolidation over the next 6 to 12 months. Automakers are feeling pressure on a number of fronts. Consumer demand for battery electric vehicles hasn't materialized, which means many automakers have either canceled or slowed down investment in new battery plants, as well as retooling production lines from internal combustion to EVs. At the same time, OEMs are struggling with their software efforts. A couple of years back, you'll remember, automakers like GM and Ford made big proclamations about how the software-defined car was going to unlock billions of dollars of new high-margin recurring revenue from converting vehicle features and options into monthly recurring subscription fees. Yet we've seen software divisions like Volkswagen's Cariad laying off thousands of software developers and taking billions of dollars of losses. Well, finally, there's the existential threat from Chinese automakers who are now building really great quality product at very low prices. While prohibitive tariffs may protect the US market from the Chinese in the short term, the only way to prepare for this threat from the Chinese longer term is to attempt to out-innovate them. All of this means that many automakers may evaluate potential partnerships to share EV, battery, and software development costs. As just an example, back in February of this year, Mary Barra from GM and Jim Farley from Ford were open-minded about a potential partnership to reduce shared electric vehicle technology costs. Ford has forecasted that they may lose over $5 billion this year across their EV division. One note to the long-term industry observer: in the past, very rarely do automaker mergers ever deliver the benefits that are forecasted. But maybe this time will be different. In any case, keep an eye out for other potential automaker partnership and merger news. I expect we'll see more buzz around this topic over the coming months. So with that, let's transition to our companies to watch. Every week we highlight interesting companies in the automotive technology space to keep an eye on. If you read my weekly Intel report, we showcase a company to watch and then take the opportunity here on this segment each week to share that company with you. Today, our new company to watch is called CargoShot. Every day, thousands of warehouse workers